Hi, in this video we are going to see the state eligibility test notification July 2021. So please share this video, okay, and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the notification. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is LBS Center for Science and Technology, a government of Kerala undertaking. So from this official website here you may check down the state eligibility test July 2021. So click on this one and then you will be directed to this web page, guys. So from this web page you can start your online registration, and first we will check the important dates here. So online registration starting from 20th April 2021 and the online registration closing 20th May 2021 evening 5 o'clock, and the online payment of registered candidates up to 22 May 2021. Okay, and the online admission ticket will be intimated later, and the date of test is also intimated later. Fine. So the last date for applying this one is the 20th May 2021. And coming to the notification, you may check, and first the complete details are kept in the prospectus July 2021. So we will see the details here in this prospectus. Okay, so state eligibility test, and so coming to the details here, it is 26 pages of PDF, guys. So I will show you the important points here. The first one, what is the necessity or else the objective of conducting the state eligibility test is that in order to ensure the standards of teaching in higher secondary course, the government have decided to conduct the state eligibility test for the candidates to be selected as higher secondary school teachers and non-vocational teachers in VHSE, and a pass in the state eligibility test is stipulated as a mandatory requirement for appointment as higher secondary school teachers in the state as per the specific rules in force. That means this state eligibility test in Kerala is conducting for the requirement for appointment of higher secondary school teachers, okay, but not for the assistant professor qualification. Okay, so please note this point, guys. And the remaining points here you may check down. Set on the basis of the syllabus approved by the Board of Examinations for the conduct of state eligibility test, and the candidates are requested to go through the prospectus carefully to get themselves acquainted with the rules and regulations before submitting the online application. And the two papers will be there. Paper 1 is the general paper, and paper 2 is the your PG related paper. And coming to this one, total 31 subjects are there. Okay, there shall be 31 subjects for the paper 2, and here you may check down: anthropology, Arabic, botany, chemistry, commerce, economics, English, Gandhian studies, geography, geology, Hindi, history, home science, Islamic history, journalism, Kannada, Malayalam, mathematics and music, philosophy, physics, political science, psychology, Sanskrit, social work, sociology, statistics, Tamil, Urdu, zoology, general paper 1 and biotechnology. And the duration of test is 120 minutes for each paper, and the number of questions and the marks, each and everything is given here, so you may check down. And coming to the conditions for the eligibility that we will see here. So for the subject wise, here the eligibilities are given. Those who have acquired a master's degree in the subject concerned, not less than 50% of marks of equivalent grade, and B.Ed degree in any discipline from any one of the universities in Karnataka, Kerala, or have acquired these qualifications from any other university recognized as equivalent thereto, are eligible to apply for the set July 2021 with certain exceptions. And mathematics, physics, chemistry, botany and zoology, those having MSc ED degree in the subjects concerned with not less than 50% of marks. And coming to the subjects, anthropology, commerce and Gandhian studies, geology, home science, journalism, music, philosophy, statistics, candidates need not acquire B.Ed degree for applying for the state eligibility test. Okay, so for these candidates, these subject related candidates need not acquire the B.Ed degree. Okay, And those who have acquired second class master's degree in communicative English with not less than 50% or equivalent grade and B.Ed are eligible to appear for the set. And candidates who have acquired DLED or LTTTs in Arabic, Urdu and Hindi but do not have the B.Ed degree are also eligible to apply for the SET. And for biotechnology, those who have master's degree in biotechnology with not less than 50% or equivalent grade and B.Ed in natural science are eligible for apply for the set. So these are the eligibility conditions, guys, and there is no age limit. Okay, and the mode of registration is given here. So the fee is 1000 rupees for the general OBC candidates and 500 rupees for the SC, ST and differently abled candidates. And the procedure for online registration, that means as I shown you, okay, it is online registration website. Okay, you have to click on this one, and this online registration will be available up to 25th May 2021 because the 25th is the last date. And you have to get the instructions, and first time users, okay, click here for the new registration. So you have to verify your mobile number and then the further procedure will be starting, guys. Okay, so online registration closing is 20th May 2021. Okay, so these are the details regarding this, and I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. So for more accurate and the clear details, okay, you may check down once through the prospectus. Okay, and if you are interested, then you may apply through this registration window, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And remember, the starting and closing dates: 20th April is the starting and 20th May is the closing, and payment of fee 22nd May is the closing. Fine. So for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I'm going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide